Hello, I just got back from church, had the best time. But there's this little girl named Audrey. Now, she gave me something called Surge, and I have just been so excited all day. I just love it. Well, I've got to go find some more. Now, ever since I've been home, I've been wanting to cook, so I'm going to show you how to make a 5-minute cake, because that's what I feel like today. I'm going to put old Sissy Biss's apron on. Well, it doesn't fit look good there, but it'll be all right. Won't it, Von Drake? Now, she has the cutest little puppies. I just think puppies are awesome in the kitchen when you cook. And I just hate a bunch of rules. You know what I'm saying? Like washing your hands and all that stuff. That's what's wrong with these kids today. They wash their hands way too much. All right, youngins, are you ready for a 5-minute cake? We're going to do it. It is starting to smell really good. I'm telling you what, I just feel so excited. I just can't maintain myself. That buzzer is getting ready to ring. Here goes, ladies. I hear it. It should be done. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness. I think we've got a delicious cake here. I think it turned out perfect, guys. I really do. I just got to show it to you. Look here. 5-minute cake in a bowl. Can you believe that? Isn't it gorgeous? I just think it's gorgeous. All right. Let's just get our little plate. And you want to put it on a really big plate because you're going to flip it over. All right. It's really good and hot. Don't you just love hot cake? Well, let's just do this and flip this over. Oh my goodness. Can you look at it? Can you see it? I swear I'm going to kill Virgil for not being here to look at our cake. Look at our cake. Man, that is a surge cake. That's a 5-minute surge cake. You know, just know, the more I just keep doing this, the more crazier I feel. I'm just so excited. I'm just wired. I think I could just mop the whole house and clean it. Well, I'm going to tell you what. Now, I do just, sorry, for some reason I just fell asleep like really fast. Good night.